Had me in your possession. Had you swimming inside my affection. But with you, I came second.